The keys I have don't fit. The keys I have don't fit.
Trying to get into the control tower? Well, it's locked and I don't seem to have my keys on me. I tell you what, I'll come back in the morning and open it for you. Oh, by the way, spectacular view up there. Nothing quite like it. The stark emptiness of the desert. Nothing for miles. A man can die in a matter of hours out there without water. But I digress. Let's see then, well, in the morning, I'll make sure you get in. Now look here, Cameron. Everyone knows how enthusiastic you are about doing a good job, but aren't you trying just a bit too hard? Go and get your beauty rest, and I'll show you around the mines in the morning.
I hope you're finding everything you need. I gotta go.
The keys I have don't fit.
Leave us alone!
The keys I have don't fit. The keys I have don't fit.
I'm sorry. I cannot invite you in. Everyone is nervous about the box. Our time should be spent in prayer.
Not as easy as you thought it would be, is it? Well, these locals aren't too helpful when it comes to a foreigner like yourself. Especially one who snoops around their private quarters. Oh, by the way, have you had a chance to talk to Chris since you landed? Strange man. Raised here in Egypt, you know. On the outside, he appears to be a Westerner, but on the inside, he's pure Egyptian. He even worships Egyptian gods. Really weird stuff. Lives in number 8.
The keys I have don't fit.
Davenport told us not to speak with you, so please go away.
The keys I have don't fit. The keys I have don't fit.
Go bother somebody else.
All you have to do is ask, Cameron. I would have opened the door for you. Or do you prefer sneaking through windows like a common thief?
Like this would be doing in here. It looks ancient. Maybe Chris would know something about this. The keys I have don't fit. Like an unsent letter. It bit me.
I'm a little busy right now. Maybe another time.
I wonder if I should show him that necklace I found. Interesting statue. Is it authentic?
See, it's not hard to impress the uneducated. No, it's a reproduction. You can find hundreds more just like it at any of the local markets. That's a ceremonial necklace. Where'd you find it? It has a symbol representing the almighty Seth, Lord of ancient Egypt, ruler of the sea and the desert. Well, it must be another fake like that box. But it's nice to find a Westerner who's interested in my religion.
Davenport was right. He's definitely not what he appears. And these strange rituals. So this is home for the next few days? Great. as well get some sleep.
Yes, I knew there was something down here. I never imagined it was... Oh, hello, I was just, what? No, wait, no, I didn't, no!
I'll be waiting for you, Cameron.
What the hell kind of dream was that?
Michael! Oh, it's terrible. Dr. Siegel's been killed. They found his body in the mines, and I know this sounds absurd, but some of the workers are saying he was killed by a mummy. Can you imagine? Some are even saying they saw the mummy. Oh, God, I can't believe this. I'm going to go call the authorities. Davenport's still down in there. I'm sure he'll fill you in on any of the details.
Cameron, do you believe this crap? Siegel's been murdered and all the workers have run off scared out of their wits. They claim there's a mummy loose in the mines. They were hysterical, running around screaming that we've awakened the spirits of the dead. It's bloody nonsense, if you ask me. Absolutely insane.
Where'd all this happen?
Well, down the tunnel there. We haven't moved his body yet. Everything's exactly as we found it. Well, aren't you going to look at what happened? Or are you scared the mummy's going to get you? No! I said that way, you idiot!
Probably search his body for clues.